AvPro is proud to present this Gulfstream G4 SP, serial number 1439. The Gulfstream 4 is widely regarded as one of the most successful large cabin jets in the industry. Known for its reliability, transoceanic range, spacious interior, and exceptional comfort, the G4 has earned a stellar global reputation, and with the SP model offers an increased takeoff and landing capacity. Glide quietly above traffic and weather as you travel to your next domestic or international destination. Serial number 1439 provides a grand 13-passenger aft galley configuration. In the forward section, you'll find a 4-place club seating arrangement. Moving to the mid-cabin, a 3-place divan sits across from a 2-place club. Towards the aft, a 4-place conference group is set up across from a credenza. This one-of-a-kind G4 SP boasts over $4.2 million in upgrades completed in 2021, including new paint and interior, Viasat Ku-band Wi-Fi system, and Collins Aerospace Venue cabin management system. Additional features include Smart Sky ATG and Inmarsat Ku satellite, engines on Rolls-Royce Corporate Care, and APU on Maintenance Service Plan. The Gulfstream G4 SP, serial number 1439, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.